All right, welcome back. We should be able to get this easy now. All right, so we already found out that x was 3. Okay, so x is 3. Probably should have had it moved up maybe a little bit. Make sure I did that right. Okay, so let's cross multiply and make sure. So I'm going to go 100 times x equals 15 times 20. Okay, I'm going to show you something here. 15 is 3 times 5. So that I'm just writing it out as factors and then times the 20. I'm just multiplying these two and factoring that down. Now, when I divide by 100 on both sides, 5 times 20 is 100, so I'm dividing that 100 out. Just another way, kind of a mental math way to double check yourself. So x is equal to 3. Yep, that's right. Alrighty, so probably made this a little bit too low. Should have been up there a little bit, because there's 20. Oh, there's 50. I was thinking 20. Don't ask me why I'm 25. Yeah. So if I move it maybe up there, because let me go. Here's 50. Half of 50 is 25, so that's about right here. So maybe we'll move it up a little bit more, because if it was 10, there'd be 10 of these lines. So yeah, that makes much more sense. Okay, so hopefully you caught that mistake, but that's okay. Error analysis, that's what it's all about. All right, so the last one, okay, what percent of 15 is 60? Whew. Look at that. What percent? We don't know what percent, so we're going to call it X percent. Of 15, that's our whole. Our part is 60. Okay? And, you know, the kid that said, well, the part is always going to be smaller than the whole. No, that's not true, because you have things over 100%. Okay? You can give 150%. That means, no, you didn't even give it your all. You gave half more of your all. Okay? We deal with numbers bigger than 100%. So we know this is going to be bigger than 100%. Let's draw what that looks like. Okay, so we know the whole is 15. Okay, the part is 60, so I can't put it here, can I? But if the whole is 15, and we're converting to a percent, then over here, the whole is 100. Okay? But we need 60. We've only got 15. So we're going to keep drawing. So I'm going to draw another one the same size. So now 15 and 15 more makes 30. And then I'm going to draw 15 more. You see where this is going? So plus 15 is 45. And I'm going to extend that a little bit. Okay, so one more. And I got 15 more, and I know that one's a little smaller. It should be the same size. So there's 60. So that means 100%. So I got all of it, 60. So 100, there's another 100%, another 100%, and another 100%. So the exact answer should be 400%. Let's look and see. So x out of 100. Okay, so my x, I didn't know what it was. The x is representative of all of this. So there's my x. Equals, my part was 60 out of my whole, which is 15. Let me move this out of the way. All right, so let's cross multiply, because there's not a whole number I can divide 100 by to get 15. So let's cross multiply. 15x, so 15 times x equals 60 times 100. 60 times 100, just take 6 times 1 and then add the 3 zeros as the shortcut. So that's 6,000 equals 15x. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 15, my one-step equation. That's 1x, or x alone. And 6,000 divided by 15 is 60. No, that's not right. What did I do wrong? 6,000 divided by 15. No? Okay, what did I do wrong here? Is it 15? Of 15 is 60. 15 and 15. So there's 4 15s. Oh, crap. Okay, it's 400. Hello. I said the answer was 400%. Okay. So 6,000, I don't know why I'm saying 6, I'm looking at that, but it's 400% because we added up all of these. All right, so 6,000 divided by 15, yes, that is 400. Phew. Okay, so X is what number? 400%. All righty, so there we go. You can rewind this as much as possible when you come in tomorrow. What I want you to do is I want you to whisper in my ear, and I want you to whisper in my ear, your name loves math. All right, your name loves math. Okay, so if somebody asks you what you have to say because they didn't watch the video, tell them name loves math. And if they whisper in my ear, name loves math, I'll know they didn't watch the video. But when you whisper in your name loves math, my name is Count Macula, so I would say, Count Macula loves math. All right, you whisper that in my ear because the other people, and they're just going to come up and some of them aren't going to whisper because they have no idea what to say. Have a good evening or weekend too.